morning, my dear student. Now see it here, chapter first and exercise 1.1. This question is your use Euclid's division algorithm to find the SC of 196 and 38,220. So here find you 196 and 38,220. This question solved by Euclid method, Euclid division method. Okay, now see it here. I will solve it. So I will do solve it. Okay. Now see it here. Solve right here. And you know previously class do solve division method. Same as solve it here. Now 196 SMS to solve previously class. This question solve division method, same method applied. Okay students, 196 divisible by what digit? Now check here. 196 divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18 remains 1s. 1 and 6 16 divisible by 2 adjust 16. Okay, so 196 is divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18 minus 9 minus 8 remains 1. 1 minus 1 0. Next digit note down 6. So now see here, my dear students, 16 remains, or I say 16. 2 adjust 16. 16 is divisible by 2 adjust 16. 8 times divisible by 16 remains 0. Now say it here, 196 is your divided denotes in this chapter A, and 98 is your quotient, and 2 is your divisor, denotes in this chapter B, and 0 is your remainder, denotes by R. Okay, and again 4 not value of A, B and Q are, because remembering value of A 196 and Q 98 and R is your 0 and B is your 2. This value note down here for remembering, because I am forgotten. So next and now here write up 38,220. Same method applying here. What is divisible by 38,220? So last digit is your 0. So you know last digit got me 0. So that's number divisible by 2. and 5. Okay, apply for a 2. 2 ones are 2, remains 1. Now down next digit 8. Now say it here, get me 18. 2 nines are 18, remains 0. And next digit note down 2. Okay, 2 under 2, 2 ones are 2, get me 0. And next digit note down 2, 2 ones are 2, get me 0. And next digit 0, note down table of 2 0 times, table of 2 0 times, 2 zeros are 0 0. Okay, 38,220 denote by dividend. In this chapter, dividend also denote by A, and 19,110 denote by Q. Q is your quotient and Q is your divisor, denote by B, and 0 is remains denote by R. Continuously again note down, my dear students, I will raise here continue right here, my dear student. You know, right up now, formulas of Euclid's method division. Euclid's division method: A equal BQ plus R. Okay, so first step, this is your first step and this is your second step. Okay, A is your 196 and B is your 2, and relation of V and Q between relation of V and Q. You see now can't apply any sign B and Q between, so I know any sign CV here, so I know relation of into between B and Q. Value of B2 and into value of Q 98 plus value of R 0, right up here. So I do here find the factor of 98 used by LCM. I do here find the factor of 98 because both factorization I will do here pairs, match two pairs, so find the SCF. Factor of 98, 2 4s are 8, remains 1, 2 9s are 18, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7, 196 equal 2 into factor of 98, 2, right here 2 into 7 into 7, here is plus 0, so need right up here. Okay, my dear student, factor of 196 equal 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Okay, I will measure continuously, not down. Continuously, not down. And what second step? Now apply here formulas of Euclid's divisions. First step, write up here and formulas of Euclid's division A equal B plus R. A. Now see second step, you value of A 2 and value of B 38,000 sorry, value of A 38,220 equal value of B. A is not by divided in this chapter. Value of B 2 into relation of B and Q between into multiplications value of Q 19,110 plus value of R 0. Okay. So find here factorization of 19,110. Can't write up here 0. Okay, my dear student, 38,220 equal to, use by LCM, write here by LCM 19,110 divisible by 2, 9 is 18, remains 1, 11, 2 5 is 10, remains 1, 2 5 is 10, 2 5 is 2 9 is 18, 2 5 is 10, 2 5 is 10, 2 5 is 10, divisible by 3, 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, remains 2, 5 25, 2 8 is 3 8 is 24, 3 8 is 24, remains 1, 1 and 5, math 15, so divisible by 3, 5 is 15. Okay, sorry, 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, that is 24. Now take here this digit divisible by 5. 5 6 are 30, remains 1 1 and 8 9 18, 5 3 are 15, remains 3 3 and 5 9 15, 3 5 3 are 15. Okay, sorry, 35, 5 7 is 35, 5 7 is 35, divisible by 5, so get me 7. Okay, 637 divisible by 7, 7 9 are 63, 7 1 is 7, 91 divisible by 7, 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7, 3 is 21, 13 divisible by 13, 1 is 13. Okay beta, so factor of 19,110 is your 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 30. Okay, not continue, no doubt. Address here, my dear student. write up here then, and now see, my dear student, write up here then HCF of 196 and 38,220 will be factor of 196 equal 2 into 2 into 7 into 7, okay, and 38,220 factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 13. Now meet here pairs 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 7 and 7 meet here pairs equal 2 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 7s are 28. 28 into 7, 196 is your answer. So 196 and 38,222 of HCF is your 196. Okay, thank you.